Hello, today I want to show MGHCAD reader system for you, and you can connect this website and you can look this information, and I can try say information for you. Siemens RFID card system, some HMI support but some HMI not support, but this device support every Siemens HMI and SCADA system. And what we can do with this device, we can do user login, user update, and adding new user. Just we need a RFID card, or you can use your factory RFID card system in this device. And okay, we will start. And card, okay, I have an empty card, and now I am reading there, and this sent to us fault. Okay, we can do first register new card and read again. Okay, ask name and level. Okay, we can do new user and one and confirm. Yes, this card is added now, and for example we can look. Now we are logging. Okay, I am log off now, and I read again this card. Yes, come. Okay, and we can try again. Not we are logging, and we read card again, and yes. Okay, now we want update this card name and other things. Now I am reading again card and ask name update user and confirm. Yes, and we can log off and we can read again. We can open website MGH Automation, and we can down and found news and click RF, and we can download TIA Portal library there or there, and we can download and we can open TIA Portal, and I create new project. You can add any HMI system or SCADA system in there. Everything can work with this RFID system. I am adding basic panel because basic panel not support normally Siemens RFID system. And I can add Profinet. If we read user guide for this RFID system, we must add connection first. Okay, I am adding connection. Default IP address, add, and everything is okay now. Okay, now we can open our library. Open now, and we can add there our library, and just we can add screen and text, and automatically add text list. But if you don't download this text list, you can add like this, no problem. Okay, now we must change connection because we add now new again. Okay, do everything same. I can compile, and we can see we have a error message. No, you can download these your HMI and you can use. Thank you so much.